Now in a pan on low medium flame, we'll add in some oil, 2 teaspoons oil, 1 teaspoon methi seeds, 2 teaspoon urad dal, 2 teaspoon chana dal, 3 teaspoon cumin seeds, 6 teaspoon coriander seeds, 5 sprigs of curry leaves. Fry this for about a minute. Keep the flame as low here only. Then add in 12 byadge chili and 3 guntur chili. Now fry this for about a minute and then turn off the flame. After turning off the flame, add in 1.5 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Give it a stir. Keep it aside, let it cool down and dry grind it. Now in a medium cooker, I have taken in 1 cup of washed tur dal. To that I am adding in about 1.5 to 2 liters of water. And turn off on the flame to medium. Add in 2 teaspoons of oil, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and we'll pressure cook this for about 3 medium whistles. Then turn off the flame and keep aside. In a blending jar, I'm taking the 5 heap teaspoons of the sambar powder that I had prepared. To that I'm adding in half a fresh coconut and adding in little water to form a paste. We blend it like this and keep this aside. Now we'll start making the sambar. Take a deep saucepan on low medium flame. Add in some oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 broken guntur chili, 2 sprigs curry leaves. Saute for a minute. Keep the flame as low medium. Now I'm adding in 1 finely chopped onion. Fry this for about 5 minutes. Now I'm adding in 2 green brinjals, 2 potatoes, 2 drumsticks and 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Add in a little bit of water, about half a cup. Give it a stir. And now we'll cover and cook this up for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring in intervals. Now I'm adding in the cooked dal. Adding in the blended paste and also the water from shaking the mixie. And juice of 1 lemon sized tamarind. Add in salt as per taste and give it a good mix and allow this to boil for 10 to 15 minutes while stirring in intervals. Now you can see how thick and how well it is being done. I transferred the vessel because that was too small. After that, now at the end we turn off the flame and add in 2 tablespoons of ghee and garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Now your vegetable sambar is ready and it is beautifully tasting with rice, white rice, and enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. Leave your comments in the section down below.